Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosaya. If you're meeting me for the first time, I make videos around making money online, personal finance, and how you can start your own digital business. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make money using this gig website. It's a new gig website that I want to share with you so you can use it to make money for yourself online. Now, there's a lot of reviews about this gig website that got me attracted to the website, and I decided to check it. And I found out that the website is actually new, but it's earning people money. And I've seen one or two earnings from the website. So I decided to sign up for the website and share it with my community. Now, this website is called sales.co. This is sales.co. So this is the homepage of the website. Now, Sales.co is the one marketing platform designed to help you scale your earnings effortlessly. I know this is what so many people want. They want to be able to scale their earnings effortlessly, which is also what I want. Nobody wants to work too hard. That is why I say we should always learn to work smart. All right, so on sales.co, you can do a lot here where you can actually make money. Now, this website is an affiliate marketing website where you can actually promote digital products and you can make money. Affiliate marketing is simply selling other people's product and earning a commission. Okay, so this is what the website is. So, who can use this website? Who can use sales? If you are an internet marketer, you can use sales. So whether you're an experienced marketer or you're just getting started, sales is here for you to help you scale, fuel your success, your business success. As a creator, yeah, you can also be part of the business success and dominate your market. As a coach, you can actually be here. So you can be a vendor on this platform, or you can just be an affiliate that you can sell the vendor's products and you can earn a commission. Now, if you're a vendor or a coach or whatever, you have a digital product, you can actually upload on this platform and you become a vendor. People sell your products, help sell your products. They earn a commission. Of course, you earn your own money. So this is sales for you. All right. So reach out if you have any questions. But I've created my own account, so I'm just going to take you to look at the dashboard, what the dashboard looks like. And but before then, let me show you how you can get started. I'm already started, so I just have to click login to get into my account. But before that, let me show you here. All right. So you start here. So this is what it looks like. So by the time you click on my referral link, it's going to bring you to this page. So this is the page you're going to see once you get once you click on my link. Now register today and get access to a full year access to sales affiliate platform that you can use it to make money, right? Fast affiliate profit mini course, WhatsApp and email marketing profits for beginners, live weekly coaching and private webinars, marketing templates and other resources, bounty affiliate links with 33% commission. Right? So this is what it looks like. Now, for you to get started on this platform, you need to pay a certain amount of money, just a little money. If you are in Nigeria, you have to pay 7,500 naira. 7,500 naira. I was actually wondering, why should I pay to come on this platform to be able to sell their products? And I saw that this is what you have to access. I mean, nobody is selling this kind of things for free with giving you access to all these things for just 7,500, and you can still earn from the affiliate commission. You can still earn by this bounty affiliate link simply is your referral link. Just like you're going to use mine to sign up and I'll earn a commission. When people use yours to sign up, you also earn a commission just by signing up. That is different from the profit you're going to make from the products, right? So when you click get started, when you click on my link and it brings you here, you click get started. It's a very, very simple steps where you can actually sign up. I mean, just few steps. You enter your first name, your last name, and all that. You fill in the necessary information, and you get started. You activate your account. Activating your account means paying so you can access all these. So you get all these and many more, and you keep earning on the platform for a full 1 year with just 7,500. That's amazing. Just imagine how much you can make on the platform. So without further ado, let me take you to show you the dashboard so you can understand what I'm talking about. So this is the dashboard, right? Like I told you, I just got started and I felt I should share this with you guys. Just like this was shared with me and I saw it, I liked it. I saw the earnings, I saw the talk in the community where I belong, where they're talking so much about sales and how people are making a lot of money. So I decided to share this with you. Okay, so now let's look at it. Now you have you have the marketplace. This is your bounty link. This is your unique link where you can use to refer people. All you need to do is click on copy, and you can share with your friends, with your family, so they can sign up here and you earn a commission. And then the next thing you have to check is quickly look at the top selling products. This is where you make money, right? Apart from telling people. So these are some of the top selling products. Now look at this KDP hybrid book income generator. This book is goes for 25,000 naira, and your affiliate commission is 55%. I mean, you're even earning more than the content owner, more than the book owner, right? So all you need to do is click on promote. When you click on promote, it takes you to where you can get your link. And okay, so you can see, so I clicked on promote right now, and this is where it has brought me here. So this is the link where if I want to promote this particular product so I can make sales, I just click on this and I use this link to make sales. All right. KDP actually is Kindle Direct Publishing. Is an Amazon stuff. You can see Amazon logo here. So when you are able to run this product and people buy this product, you see it here is written the simplest way to start Amazon KDP and generate up to $300 to $1,000 every single month without having to publish 50 plus books or run ads to make your first 1,000 in 90 days. So this is giving you more details about this particular product. So all you need to do is you copy your link, and once you promote this link and you make a sale, you get paid for it. I mean, you're not the one who created this content. Someone has made this content already. All you need to do is just sell this content. All right. So let's go back and look at other products right there. Then you have the Ultimate Sales Funnel Mastery course. You have the Upwork Mastermind program. So by the time you come here and you look at the prices here, you look at it, 25%, you get 25,000 naira, you get 55%. Then this is 20,000, you get 50%. And this is 20,000 again, you get 50%. So depending on the number of these products you can sell in a month, let's say you're able to sell 10 of this particular product that is just 20,000, you're going to make 100,000 naira. Now, 100,000 naira is way, way beyond the minimum wage in Nigeria. It will be like 3 times the minimum wage in Nigeria. And even if you work in the private sector, that is just like a month salary for you where you do your 9 to 5. But with this, you can just decide to dedicate an hour or two daily just for this particular gig, and you will make so much money. So imagine you have this gig and other gigs like I've shared and I'll keep sharing with you, and you are able to make XYZ amount like this based on what you can do, the task you can do, the hours you can give. You have your freedom, you have your time, the comfort of your home. You can do this from your phone. If you don't have a laptop, you can do it from your phone and from the comfort of anywhere, your home and anywhere. It's a business you can do. You can travel the world, you can be anywhere in the world, and you can still do this and you earn money. You are not bound by location and all that. Now, for you to get details on how you can get started with your how you can get started and become a digital entrepreneur. So you watch my webinar video, it's on this channel. So I'll just put the card right here, and you can check the link in the description below as well. So you can watch the video on how you can get started as a digital entrepreneur so you can make money from the comfort of anywhere, and you can make money using the various gigs that I shared in that particular video. Now, let's come back to this particular one. So, if you want to get started here, all you need to do is take my link and sign up, activate your account, pay your 7,500 naira, get started. If you don't know how to promote or how you can make money promoting this product, or you don't know how you can sign up people, all you need to do is sign up with my link, activate your account, and hit me on WhatsApp. Please, if you haven't activated your account, do not bother to come into my WhatsApp DM because I won't respond to you. I only respond to those who have activated their account and are ready to make money. I'm going to guide you through how you can earn using this particular website gig so you earn money every single day. And don't forget to like this video so YouTube can suggest it to other people who are looking for legitimate gigs. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you when I post new videos about new gigs and other ways you can make money legitimately online and even offline. Thank you, and I'll see you on the inside.